ATER stock analysis and ATER stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you my exact play, my exact trade plan, how I'm going to do this, because I'm the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos for 5 years straight and documented everything. I mean, there's no one else that's done it. It's taken me 5 years, tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. 40,000 videos later, it's still a bearish market. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, yeah, it is a bearish range still. Although I'm not saying that it's just going to be like this forever. Currently, just season, I think. Like, the only thing that might make this not be bearish will be a solid break above 270 with a full candle close. Since we're not there, if there is even a double break, then you bet I'm going to look to take it down. But the last thing I'm doing is selling randomly, you know? So I will continue to keep you updated. You know, all I'm doing in the meantime here is I'm waiting. And if you do want to make 5-10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.